Promising comedian Neil Nanda, featured on Jimmy Kimmel Live and Comedy Central, mourned at age 32. In a heartbreaking turn of events, Neil Nanda, a talented and up-and-coming comedian, has passed away at the age of 32. Nanda, who had performed on popular shows like Jimmy Kimmel Live and Comedy Central, was highly regarded by the comedy community. The news of Nanda's death was confirmed by his manager, who expressed deep shock and sadness. In a statement, the manager emphasized Nanda's immense talent as a comic, but also admired him as a person. Often known for his unique style and delivery, Nanda had a bright future ahead of him, with countless opportunities waiting to unfold. With his appearances on prominent platforms such as Jimmy Kimmel Live and Comedy Central, Nanda had already left a lasting impression on both viewers and fellow comedians. His comedic abilities and quick wit earned him immense praise and admiration. While the circumstances surrounding Nanda's untimely passing remain undisclosed, the comedy community has come together to express their condolences and pay tribute to his memory. Social media platforms have been flooded with messages from fans, fellow comedians, and friends who share their fondest memories and express their grief at the loss of such a vibrant talent. Nanda's passing serves as a reminder of the fragile nature of life and the importance of cherishing every moment. The comedy world has lost a rising star, leaving behind a void that will be deeply felt by both fans and the industry at large. As the news of Neil Nanda's passing spreads, the focus shifts. From his accomplishments as a comedian to the impact he had on those who knew him personally, friends and colleagues recall his genuine kindness, infectious laughter, and willingness to support others in the comedy community. It is clear that Nanda's talent was matched only by his character, making his loss even more significant. As the world mourns the loss of Neil Nanda, it is a stark reminder of the fragile nature of human existence and the impact that one person can have in such a short time. The comedy community has lost a remarkable talent, and our thoughts and condolences go out to Nanda's family, friends, and all those whose lives he touched with his humor and warmth. His memory will undoubtedly live on, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of comedy.